Hi, my name is Rob from Wersell's Bike Shop, and I am a mechanic. Currently, we are limiting the store to 3 people maximum inside the store. We prefer to do business outside in the parking lot where it's a little bit safer and easier for us to keep 6 feet in between everyone. We are happy to do curbside drop-off and pickup. Often we're already out there in the parking lot servicing other customers, so there's really not a huge need to call when you pull in, but we are happy if you want to call us and let us know you're here, and we will get to you as we quickly and possibly can. We are trying to get as much service work done as we possibly can so everybody can get back outside and get outside of the house and not spend their entire quarantine inside the house. Also inside the store, everything's sanitized in between each customer. Our credit card machines are all sanitized before and after every single customer. Every pen sanitized, every handlebar and seat and bike in general. All of our staff is always wearing a mask and gloves so that we can continue to follow those guidelines that everyone has put in place for all of our safety, as well as keep our employees safe as well. We were established in 1945 by the owner's father. We were originally located 1.5 miles up the street. We moved to our current location in 1981. We've been here since then. This year we'll be celebrating our 75th anniversary as we turn 75 on December 8th of this year. It's always important to shop locally, but especially at this time, because when all of this is said and done, if your local companies aren't still there, you'll have a lot less places to go shopping, and nobody wants to have to be forced to buy all of their products at a large corporate company store. I think that this has definitely brought everybody back to the basics of understanding that your money has to start locally. Toledo's always a great city and always rallies behind their local businesses in times of need. And I don't think this is any different than any other time of need for anything else. It's just a little bit different and a little bit more drastic and widespread than it usually happens. Our current hours as they stand are noon to 6 Monday through Friday and 10 to 3 on Saturdays, with the exception of Tuesdays and Thursdays, where we'll be open from 11 to noon for those that are 65 and older, where they can come in under that safe time frame to get stuff worked on. We just ask that everybody's patient. We are eager to get your stuff worked on just as you are eager to get outside. But whatever makes it easier and makes you comfortable coming and seeing us and spending your money locally, we're here to accommodate you within reason, but we're here to make life easy and safe for you and your family.